Well, efforts to assist displaced residents here in the Buffalo City Metro continue. The Metro has made a plea to the public that they should donate wherever they can, and calling on the private sector to also intervene with this situation. And as we expect more rains to hit our Buffalo City Metro, it's really going to be difficult for those residents. Let's bring in the spokesperson of the Buffalo City Metro, Samkelo Ngwenya. Mr. Ngwenya, thanks a lot for your time. What's the latest update?
Well, the numbers are keep increasing. We started on 400 on Saturday. Right now, we're sitting on over 2,200. It is expected. I mean, the South African Weather Service has given us another level 6 warning. So expecting more rains. We're hoping we'll be doing mop-up operations. But nevertheless, we still have people in our wards. 11 wards have been affected, and we still have people in halls. And we're trying by all means, to try and make sure that we cater for them. We're engaging with the National Department in as far as human settlements on the TRU so that we can move those people. We are grateful to the NGOs that are assisting us. However, we are also making an appeal because we can see that there are demands that we need to do for people that are staying in halls every day, especially if the rain is continuing, because it makes it difficult for us to move those people.
What do you say to some residents who are affected and there's not even one official from the local authorities to visit them? Some of them have not even received blankets. Some of them, their informal settlements are still flooded at this point in time. What do you say to them?
Well, I mean, we sympathize with everyone. This is not an ideal situation. The Executive Mayor, Councillor Princess Fago, has been in almost every ward. That's why we've got over 2,000 people that are displaced. However, if there's any people that we have not touched base with, we've got ward councillors. We should be helping with them. Ultimately, we do have enough resources to try and cater for our people. So if there's people that are still out there that do not have assistance from the Metro, they need to come forward. They need to assist with us. We've got our officials. We need to move with them. We are also trying to send a message to say people must not go back and rebuild in those areas because there's weather warnings, and which means the situation is going to actually exacerbate. So we're trying by all means, if there's anyone out there who still has not been touched by the Metro, please come forward, contact your ward councillor, contact your ward committee, and let us engage with you and assist.
Going forward, what's the long-term solution going forward? Because the likelihood, even though you make this plea for people not to go and build there, but what's the long-term solution for them?
Well, I mean, on the long-term solution, everyone should have a house in Buffalo City. But we know that people are coming here for greener pastures. It's an economic hub, and they should, so it means that we've got over 100 informal settlements. So ultimately, we're trying to find land to actually build people houses. But at the same time, we are aware that we need to sharpen our climate change strategies. The environment is changing. We are becoming a disaster-prone metro. So we need to put plans in place so that when these things happen, we have early warnings. But we're working around the clock, and we're grateful that of the partnership that we have and the promises that we've made with the national departments to try and change the situation. But ultimately, we need to build everyone a house so that they can be in a safer environment.
Thank you so much. Samkelo Ngwenya, the spokesperson for the Buffalo City Metro, taking us through on the latest and saying that more to note that the number is still growing for the demand for people to receive assistance.